Okay, I'm going to go over how to manage and create the blog and how to create some blog posts. So let's just dive right in. The first thing we're going to want to do is create a page, and that page is going to be our blog page. So under pages, let's add a new page, and I'm just going to name this one blog and publish. There's no page template or anything like that, just a regular default page. And the next thing we're going to want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add it to my menu. This isn't a requirement or anything. It's just going to make it easier when I'm demoing it so we can find this page. And the actual step now is going to be going under settings and reading. And we're going to want to change front page displays from the default your latest posts to a static page. And the blog is a post page, so we're going to select blog. And that'll be whatever page you named it. It might be latest news for you, or So let's save these changes. And I'll refresh this so we get our blog in the menu, and then we can go to our blog now. And now it's, instead of being a regular page, it now displays all of our blog posts. So right now we only have one blog post. It's just the default WordPress blog post. And I'm going to show you how to create a post and featured image and all of that stuff. So let's go into posts, add a new post, and I'll just call this one sample blog post and put some random text. And you'll notice there's categories on the right. These are just test categories I've created. If you don't select a category, it'll automatically go into uncategorized. You can add a new category on the fly if you want to do like design. Click add new. Categories are pretty simple. They're just like a regular blog. So let's publish this and see what happens. So we have a basic blog post now, sample blog post. Really simple. So you can add images if you want, but if you want to have that image like our live preview where they were all the same, that's called a featured image. And so we'll upload an image, we'll select that image, and I just have one on my desktop real quick that we're just going to use for this demo. And you're going to want to do use featured image, and then you can close out, and you'll notice that it'll pop up down here. And then you'll update your post, and then now if you refresh, you'll have that featured image displayed, and it'll do all the cropping for you. It's really handy. So that's how to get that featured image. And if you don't want to use that, if you want to use your own image size, you can upload your own image size. This is just a really nice way to get all your images cropped for you. So the other thing to note is how to get that read more button, and that is just one of these buttons right here. It's called the insert more tag, and all you have to do is click the insert more tag. It's a button, and then it'll draw this line, and anything underneath that line won't show up on the index. So we'll update our post now, and that wherever you add that insert more tag, we'll insert that read more button. So we'll go read more, and then it'll also cut off the text, so any text underneath that will show up on the single blog post, and then any thing above it. So that should pretty much cover most of the blog post. I'm going to make a second video right now, continuing.